5 best hair dryers. The item number 5 is 4000 watts professional hair dryer. 4000 watts super power, rapid dry hair, doubly care. 3 temperature settings and 2 wind speeds. You can easily adjust the speed and temperature to create personalized styling accurately. Cold shot button sets the style. With blue light beam and perfume, professional and high grade. The item number 4 is At Fashion 220 volts mini hair dryer. Brand name Snboo. Item type hair dryer. Material plastic. Number of gears: 1. Max. Power less than 1000 W. Power source electric. Nozzle type hair scattering. Voltage: 100 to 40 V. Dual voltage. Certification CCC. Heating element infrared. The item number 3 is for hairdresser and hair salon 3 meter long. Brand name Guangming. Item type hair dryer. Heating element infrared. Use professional. Voltage: 210 to 240 volts. Type of motor: AC. Max. Power: 2300 watts. Power source electric. Model number: 9930. The item number 2 is 4000 watts powerful professional salon hair dryer. 2 speed and 3 heat settings, let your hair drying and styling flexible. Besides, there is a cool shot button for hair shaping. 4000 watts large power, quickly blow dry your hair. With blue light hydro-negative ions function, which can help lock hair moisture, reduce hair static and frizz, make your hair healthy, smooth and shiny. The item number 1 is Travel Household Hair Dryer Professional. 4000 watts super power, rapid dry hair, doubly care. 3 temperature settings and 2 wind speeds. You can easily adjust the speed and temperature to create personalized styling accurately. Cold shot button sets the style. With blue light beam and perfume, professional and high grade. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.